In a search for the easiest way to make healthy and cool Halloween treats, I got these spooky silicone molds, and today we're putting them to the test with a healthy Halloween recipe. Do you think they'll work their magic? Stick around to see the results. Alright, here's what we're working with. Pumpkin, because it's not Halloween without pumpkin, right? Eggs, a must-have for kitchen and science experiments. Your favorite flour. I'm using 20 grams of chickpea flour for protein power and 20 grams of almond flour because healthy fats are happy fats. A dash of baking powder for some fluff-tastic action. Cinnamon for that autumn spice vibe. Dates for sweetness. Sweetener and vanilla essence. Not that you need dates, sweetener and vanilla all together, you can just choose one of them. But in this recipe, I'll be using them all. First things first, we are blending everything up. It's like a science experiment, except way tastier. If you're into trying out quick and healthy recipes like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. Time to grab these spooky molds. I have my doubts if they'll unstick easily since we're not using much oil or butter in the batter. But hey, that's why we're here to experiment, right? A quick spray of cooking oil and we are ready to pour. These little guys are going in at 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Just enough time to carve your pumpkin. Or, let's be real, watch half an episode of your favorite Halloween show. Now, they did need a bit longer in my oven, around 25 minutes, and even 5 more minutes wouldn't hurt. Fair warning, the smell in here is dangerously delicious. I'm telling you, don't try this recipe while you're hungry. All these little treats might not even make it to your Halloween party. Okay, the moment of truth, let's check them out. Drumroll, please. Not everyone turned out perfectly spooky. Check out this funny one here. But the ones that did? Hauntingly adorable and, dare I say, terrifyingly tasty. Unstick them from the molds very slowly to keep the shapes and pop them back in the oven if they need more time. My plan was to decorate this with some spooky eyes and faces, but plot twist, the kids ate them before I even had a chance. Guess that means they're good, right? Happy Halloween, everyone!